video. So today I will show you something, and which is that because I posted one video regarding predatory journals, and now it is in the peak. We cannot trust actually until unless we are going to the official websites of Sprinter or Elsevier or IEEE, some standard journals. We can trust their websites, but still now a different kind of predatory journals are coming, and maybe through some conference organizers or through emails. So let me show you one such activity. So let me open my email, and you can see here I got a mail regarding Journal of Household, and it is written like UGC Care Group 2 approved, and it is Corpus Active Journal, and it is written like 24 hours acceptance. So this is the title, okay, to attract the research community. Now let me open the mail, and you can see here like the journal name is given. Okay, so this is the journal name, and obviously people won't find this thing because just see the mail id. So it is like cbxfdh@gmail.com. So it's look weird. So from this one we can people will get a doubt like whether it is a valid mail id. Yeah, of course it is a valid gmail id, but people won't send like a chief editor of the editor in chief, or the editorial board will not send or create any email in this name. So it's look weird. So this is one symbol of this predatory journal. Okay, and you can see that it is composed like dear author, we invite authors to say so and so, and the edition they are actually calling for purpose, and they specifically they mention it is Corpus Active and UG Scale journal. Okay, and it's just like peer reviewed journal and everything is, and they highlighted like the acceptance is within 24 hours, and people will go behind that, and they will be giving a mail id like editor jh, the abbreviation of the journal, like that. So people will, and you can see their website. They given one website actually. So the website is also look weird because the website does not end with the domain name like .com or .in. Instead of that it is like .asia. Also it is not an official, no, normal domain. And you can see the website is again, it is a check some numeric alphabets like something and .asia. So let me click on that website. Now you can see that the web page is loading, and we will be getting the website of that particular journal. And obviously each and every journals, fake journal, they will be highlighting the screenshot of this particular web page, I mean the Scopus website. Okay, so let me show you that. I'm going to check whether this particular journal is fake or not. Okay, so let me move to Scopus. Okay, so this is the Scopus official website, scopus.com. Okay, it's loading, right? Okay, now there will be one area like search source. Okay, just click on source. Now you will be getting this page. Just now in this particular title field I'm going to paste from the main. I'm copying the journal name. It is Journal of Hosung University of Science and Technology, and copy this and paste it in the Scopus official page, and you can see that the journal is there, Journal of Hosung University and Science and Technology. So let press enter, and you can see the journal is listed, and see there is no information, that is all site score, citation, everything is not available. Just click on this journal name and it moves to the data. So you can see that it is actually in the Scopus, and the coverage here it is mentioned like it is 1994 it is in Scopus, and from 2001 to 2017 it is in Scopus. Okay, now the status is discontinued from Scopus, but I got this mail 2 days back. So this is 2021. Okay, so it discontinued in 2017. Still we are getting such mails like the papers, the particular journal is in Scopus. Okay, and you can see that in most of this Scopus official page, then we can have an option like journal homepage, which is actually some standard journal. They already linked their official page to this Scopus database, so you can check the homepage of this particular journal by clicking this option. Okay, journal homepage. So if I click on that particular page, you can see that the website will not be loaded because they hijacked the particular website. That's the reason why you are not getting the home page. So this is one thing. While you are validating whether the journal is predatory or not, this is one thing how you can able to check whether it is a good journal or not. Okay, so this is one thing. So kindly take care of these kind of activities. Okay, and if you see the official website, there are a lot of things you can easily identify. If any journal who is giving the screenshot of this Scopus, then you can understand that it is a fake journal, because they are trying to project that this is a Scopus. That's why they are putting the Scopus index, that particular, and they already edited this, right? So here it is like 2002 to present the Scopus coverage, but in official Scopus page it is not like that. It is from 2001 to 2017. Okay, so it is actually misleading all the research community. And actually this website is a customized website. Some people who created the website and they linked all the details from the particular journal. Okay, so this is how they creating. And just like we know, there are some other predatory journal I discussed in my previous video, like high technology letters and magazine, some other journals. Okay, so there are a lot of people are committed in this kind of crimes, and they are trying to create more number of journals by hijacking some standard journals. Okay, so before you are going to submit any purpose to this kind of journals, kindly verify with your Scopus official page and confirm that whether it is of it's a standard or predatory journal, or else you can comment me in this particular video in the comment section. And if you have any doubts regarding any journal, just ping me in the chat box, so that I will verify, because I am following few tricks, and I will verify it and I will reply you immediately, so that you can submit your paper in highly reputed channels. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and I hope everybody got some idea over this particular scam. So kindly support me by hitting the hitting the subscribe button as well as the like button. And if you are interested to know more, kindly put some comments in the comment section. Thank you.